Hey everyone, welcome back to the Carouge Craft Brew Club. I'm Pascal, and today we're diving into the bubbly world of carb stones, those little tools that can make or break your carbonation game. If you have ever battled oxidation, gas leaks, impossible cleaning, or troop-filled carbonation, you know, not all of them are built equally. I've tested 3 different setups on my fermenter, and here's what I have found out. The first stone that I tested was the BrewBuilt Flex Chamber Stone. It's super cheap, just $32, and I already had the chamber because I use a BrewBuilt fermenter, so adding the stone was super easy. The issue that I have with it is that the trub will be in the flex chamber and carbonating will be therefore difficult. As alternative, you can first dump all the trub and then reattach it, but then you need to purge the flex chamber and you have a risk of oxidation. So I wasn't fully satisfied with this option. Next, I tried the Spike Brewing Carb Stone. It's beautiful and it feels professional, but it comes with a price tag of just about under $100. Carbonation works a treat, but there is one issue, and that's cleaning. The stone is built into the metal housing and it cannot be removed. Therefore, it's close to impossible to get all the skunk out, and even the ultrasound cleaner has not done its job properly. For me, it was a deal breaker, and unfortunately, I had to stop using it. Finally, I went with parts from Brewtools. I combined a small carb stone, a matching stone holder, and a 1.5-inch TC to ball lock gas adapter. All in all, it costs about $70 plus shipping. And honestly, it's the best system I have used so far. It's compact, it fits inside the ultrasound cleaner, fully disassemblable, and if I ever need to replace the carb stone, I just swap it out and keep the rest of the parts. No drama. It works very well, and so far it's the best one that I have had. So here's the recap. The BrewBuilt setup is cheap, but a pain to manage troop and CO2. The Spike Capstone looks slick, but it's almost impossible to clean. The Brewtools combo so far is the one that I will keep using. Should you have a different way to force carb or a different setup that you believe is worth mentioning, please let me know in the comments. Any other feedback on the video is absolutely welcome, and I'm looking forward hearing from you soon. Greetings from Carouge, and see you soon.